To fix a non-working Ethernet connection on a Lenovo Thinkpad docking station, several potential issues should be considered. These include faulty Ethernet connection cables, outdated network drivers, problems with the Ethernet port, or incorrect network settings. To address these issues, start by replacing the Ethernet cable. Test the cable with other devices to determine if it's functional, and if not, replace it with a new one. If this doesn't resolve the issue, updating the network adapter is the next step. This can be done by opening the device manager, accessing the network adapters, right-clicking on the relevant option, and selecting Update Drivers to allow Windows to search for and install updated Ethernet drivers. After updating, attempt to connect the Ethernet cable again to see if it works. If the problem persists, inspect the docking station's Ethernet port for dirt, debris, or damaged components, and gently clean the port to remove any obstructions. In cases where components are broken, hardware replacement by skilled personnel may be necessary. Another potential solution is to reset the network settings by accessing the Settings menu, selecting Network and Internet, choosing Advanced Network Settings, and then Network Reset. This process should troubleshoot and reset the network settings to their default state. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a non-working Ethernet connection on a Lenovo Thinkpad docking station.